Best modifications for a 2026 Volkswagen Golf R AWD Hatchback perfected. The 2026 Volkswagen Golf R stands at the top of the hot hatch hierarchy, refined, brutally fast, and engineered with precision. Powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged EA888 Evo4 engine and paired with a 7-speed DSG transmission and 4-motion all-wheel drive, the Golf R delivers impressive performance straight from the factory. But for enthusiasts who crave more excitement and individuality, this AWD rocket can be transformed into a truly elite performer through smart and effective modifications. Starting with the engine, the EA888 is a tuner's dream. A cold air intake from APR, Unitronic, or integrated engineering improves airflow and throttle response while enhancing turbo spool sounds. Pair it with a high-flow downpipe and a performance catback exhaust from Miltech, AWE Tuning, or Armatrix, and you'll free up exhaust flow for an immediate bump in power and a deep, raspy tone. These bolt-ons set the stage for an ECU remap, arguably the most transformative upgrade for the Golf R. A Stage 1 ECU tune from APR or EQT can boost output from the stock 315 horsepower to nearly 380 horsepower, with torque figures climbing to over 400 lb-ft. For those seeking even more, a Stage 2 setup with supporting mods like a larger intercooler, turbo inlet elbow, and high-pressure fuel pump can push the car past the 420 horsepower mark, while retaining daily drivability and reliability. Handling upgrades take the 2026 Golf R's dynamic prowess to another level. The stock suspension is excellent, but a set of coilovers from KW, Bilstein, or HNR allows drivers to fine-tune ride height and damping for optimal control. Adding 034 Motorsport sway bars and Super Pro bushings minimizes body roll and sharpens steering feedback. Lightweight forged wheels from Nuspeed or BBS, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S or Continental Extreme Contact Sport tires, further reduce unsprung weight and enhance grip. To complement the newfound power, braking upgrades are essential. A big brake kit from Brembo or StopTech, with larger rotors and high-friction pads, delivers fade-free performance under heavy use. Stainless steel brake lines and upgraded fluid improve pedal precision, crucial during track sessions or spirited canyon drives. Aesthetically, the Golf R benefits from subtle but functional enhancements. A carbon fiber front splitter, rear diffuser, and roof spoiler extension improve aerodynamics while giving the car a sportier, more aggressive appearance. Inside, upgrading to a short shifter, aluminum pedals, and Recaro sport seats adds a true motorsport vibe to the cabin. What makes the 2026 Golf R so special is its versatility, a car that can dominate backroads, perform flawlessly on the track, and still handle the daily commute with comfort and style. With the right modifications, it becomes an AWD masterpiece that blends practicality and pure performance like few others can.